Once the calculations are complete, our operation advisors will generate the following: a table of predicted CIP dates along with the expected filing or scaling types, a table of recommended CIP dates along with the expected filing and scaling types, a projections of net financial benefits broken up by energy cost, chemical cost, downtime cost, and water production impact. You can save this information by clicking on the Export to Excel button. This will collect similar reports from the other tabs to generate one Excel report. You can click on the top right, Download Report as an Excel document or as a Word file. And as the report generates, you'll be able to save it onto your computer. As you open the Word file, as in this case, you see the main page, the cover page. Once you open the Word file of the report, you see the cover page, the system configuration, a summary of the results, a historical data analysis of when the cleanings were detected, the normalization plots, this CIP cleaning efficiency, filing identification data, and CIP predictions and recommendation results. The financial analysis, you'll see the reference conditions used during the calculations, the settings you use for costs, and the advanced settings for the whole application. At the end, you have a section called Recommendations, where you can add your commentary on this particular analysis. You can also download the report as an Excel file. Once you open the file, you'll see the same information, but broken down in different tabs. First, the financial benefits, identified CIPs, cleaning effectiveness calculations, filing. The other entries are the advanced settings for the RO Operations Advisor, and the process data is the raw data that was entered into RO Operations. Now that we have finished working with the Cleaning Advisor, we'll move on to RO Lifetime Advisor by clicking on RO Lifetime Advisor button at the bottom or the top of the screen.